if you know how to live, everybody comes running to you for advice. Because everybody wants to live. So if they see that you're living an intelligent life, that's it. That's hafatzas hamayonis. The ultimate form of hafatzas hamayonis is to make people jealous. I mean, you can stop a guy in the street, put on tefillin with him. Yeah, okay, fine. But if he's jealous that you have tefillin, he's jealous that your life is pure and your life is meaningful and your life is innocent and your life is pleasurable. They're all jealous of that because there's none of that out there. So our job is to make people jealous. And it's working. Only it's the wrong people who are jealous. But that is our job.
So I think that's, maybe I'm talking too much. That's the tall order. I mean, I didn't grow up Chabad, but I didn't grow up thinking Rosh Hashanah and Kippur was about death. But it's a tall order to, we've put it now beautifully, to live your life with purity and innocence and whatever, and all the things, especially nowadays. And that's the challenge.
It is a good challenge, but even as we are, people are already jealous because we're way ahead of the game.
Sure.
Some people.
It just seems to have been implanted in people an ability to, like, take the Holocaust, those who believed at the end and those who didn't believe at the end. But it's almost like a gift to those who did. Logically.
Yep. We had these guests over for Shabbos, and I asked one of the boys to bring something to the table. So he got up to bring it. And the guest said, "How did you do that?" I said, "Do what?" So you told him to bring it and he got up to do it.
Right.
They're jealous. Their kids don't do that.
Eyes don't either.
Shh. Don't tell them. So we're way ahead of the game. I was walking with my granddaughter, share a little nachas, and she said, "Oh, I want to go and I can't go. Mommy doesn't let," or something like that. I said, "If you want to go, go." She's 7. She said, "Just because you want to do something doesn't mean you can."
Wow.
I said, "The trip was worthwhile." That doesn't exist out there. Not even a 17-year-old. So that is the goal. The goal is the world has to be jealous, but in a constructive way. Anti-Semitism is jealous, but in a negative way. So we should have a freiliche Rosh Hashanah. And do God a favor. Let him forgive you. He's so desperate. Every year he becomes more desperate. Because he knows what he puts us through.
How do we show him that we let him forgive us? What's the proof?
Well, first of all, show up in shul. he can't forgive you if you don't show up.
This is kind of nice, there's no air of all those years we didn't show up.
You should.
Oh, I just heard this thing from the Rebbe, from the 50s, Farbrengen, where the Rebbe says, when you go into Yechidus, you become empowered to change the world outside. What does the word world outside mean? Anything outside this room.
Wow.
That was so, oh man. Here, you live. You leave this room, you're outside. Amazing. Some guy, shliach, years and years ago, begged the Rebbe for permission to come in for Tishrei, because he wants to be by the Rebbe's tkiyas. And the Rebbe said to him, believe me, while I'm blowing shofar, I'm thinking more of you than all these people pushing in front of me.
Wow.
Wow.
Could you say that in Latin?
Mhm.
That specific? Could you say? Could you say? Yeah.
I think it was Bertel Baumgarten in Argentina.